Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Fold 4, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have this case for your Galaxy Z Fold 4. It's from a company called Humixx. This is their translucent matte clear case. I have never used them before. Should give them a try because they sent it out to me for a review. And you can pick it up from Amazon. It looks like it's on sale for $39. And you can also get a $10 coupon. Now they do make other cases for the iPhone. I also seen one for the Z Fold 3. So they've been around for a little bit, but I wanted to try them out, show y'all what you'll get. This is the presentation from them. Nice and plain little simple box. When you open the box up, the cases were in there. But like I said, I've been actually using the case for about 2 to 3 days now because I've never heard of this company. I didn't want to recommend the case and it wasn't good. But a lot of people talk about cases, these fold cases, having adhesive strips. This case does not. And it actually works out pretty well. I'm going to show you a couple trouble spots. But for the most part, it does not have it doesn't have any adhesive strips. There's nothing here. There's nothing there. There's nothing there. There's no adhesive strips at all, but it actually stays on better than most of the cases I've been working with. And yes, I have been using the case, like I said, for about 3 days now. Let me just snap it back on. And I'm gonna show y'all a couple problems that I see with it, but look, it lines up perfectly well. At the top and the bottom, you do get some camera protection. And also you get lip action in the front. It works well with my speaking screen protector too. But let's check out what I'm talking about. So with most cases, if you try to pull it off, you can pull the cases off without the adhesive strip. And they are not coming off. Now, there's a couple problems with it though. At the top, you can pull it off like this a little bit. And then also here, at the top, it comes off a little bit. But for the most part, when you opening it and closing it, it stays on there pretty well. I mean, even on the back. The other problem I have, or another problem before you get this case, is this little part here. It moves around, as you can tell here. It will move, it will bend out and it will move in, but it stays pretty on. I mean, it's on there. And then this part is a little loose, but once you open it up, this part barely moves at all. And this case actually works pretty well without adhesive strips. Better than any other case out there that I've been using. Better than my speaking cases, better than my sub case, and the other cases that I have tried. You do get some smudges on the back of fingerprints, but it does show off the beauty of your phone. No hinge protection either. But overall, without the adhesive, this case is on there pretty well. I mean, does it have little problem spots? Yes, but overall, I've been rocking this case, and I haven't taken it off, and I don't think I will. After using this case for the 3 days, this one is one of my favorite, and then also I have the Spigen Slim Armor case that I've been using also. All right, can you wireless charge with this case? Let's check that out. I don't think you will have a problem. There you go. You can wireless charge, no problem there. But let me show y'all what I was talking about. So I'm gonna take off this piece here and let me put on, say, the Spigen pen case without the adhesive strips. No, they still on there. So I haven't taken the adhesive strips off. And let me put this case on there. So if I wanted to, I can actually make a pen case like this too. But, okay, so it's on there, right? But if I, did y'all just see how, without the strips, I mean, I'm not doing any effort there to take off the case. Demonstration again. Once you get this case on there, look, yeah, it comes off here, but that does not move. So again, if you want to pick up this case from Amazon, I will have the links in the description. You can pick it up from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.